Welcome back to World Foraging. Now that you know where to find nettles, let's grab some tools and get harvesting. It's always a good idea to bring gloves when harvesting nettles. Don't be a hero, protect your phalanges.
12 fingers are one, it's how you play.
You also want something to cut with, something to carry them in, and if you plan on drying them, bring some twine. Personally, I like my bare bones hoary hoary. It's super sharp. And that longer blade lets me keep a little distance between me and the plant, which has proven to be a pretty solid life strategy. Okay, now to harvesting. In the early spring, nettles haven't fully armed themselves yet. So honestly, you can totally raw dog it. All you're doing is coming in and taking the top 4 to 6 inches. Just that young, tender growth. Now, if you're planning to dry them, leave yourself a little extra stem. Then use your trusty hoary hoary to clear off those lower leaves. And here's the beautiful thing about nettles. This plant likes being cut back. It thrives on it, so don't be shy, but also don't go at it with a machete like you're in a boss fight. Once you've harvested all your little heart desires, remember, fresh nettles don't last forever, but you've got options. If you're using them within a day or two, treat them like you would any delicate greens. Now, if you're gonna be drying them for something like tea, there's a knot that you must not know. It's called the clove hitch, and it functions in multiple ways. First, for bundling, make one loop in the cord, make a second loop right next to it, cross the second loop behind the first, slide both loops over the stems, and pull tight. Simple, fast, and kind of weirdly satisfying. Like I said, it has multiple uses. So now that you've bundled your nettle, here's how you're gonna hang them. Wrap the cord around the object once, cross over the standing line, wrap over around a second time, tuck the tag under the last wrap, pull tight. The wrap should form a nice little clean X. Once you tie it once, you'll remember it forever. Now, hanging them upside down does something really interesting. Gravity helps pull everything from the stems down into the leaves, which is another reason we left extra stem in the first place. Extra stem, extra goodness, more stuff in the leaves. And yes, you could use a dehydrator or your oven, but temperatures above 110 degrees tend to damage the oils, color, and flavor. All the good stuff that you just worked so hard and risked your phalanges to get. So this old school method, still, it's one of the best.
Blue, you're my boy! Sir, yes, sir.
Now, how to preserve them like Han Solo. If your plan is soups, pastas, omelets, that kind of thing, and you want them for the rest of the year, you're gonna wanna steam them. Steaming concentrates that deep, earthy nettle flavor, instead of washing it away into boiling water. It also preserves more nutrition and gives you a much stronger, true nettle taste. All you do is give them a quick rinse in cold water, mostly to evict any freeloaders, then into the steamer. I like to use a clear lid because you can literally watch them collapse, and that's also weirdly satisfying. That's how you know the sting is gone. Once they're done, plunge them into some ice water. This step helps lock in that beautiful green emerald color, and from there, I like freezing them in large ice cube trays. That gives you a perfectly portioned cube, ready to go when you need it. If you want to take it a step further, vacuum seal. I use my Inkbird vacuum sealer, label them, date them, done. Both methods remove the sting completely and make nettles about as harmless as spinach. So the next time you walk into a patch of nettles, you're not avoiding them anymore. You're planning your next meal around them. Next up, we cook them. And remember, foraging is free.